Another thing you can do once you're comfortable with major and minor chords is that you can start to work with lead sheets. And lead sheets are one of the most practical, useful things that you will learn about this semester. Lead sheets are sort of a kind of musical shorthand that we use, or kind of musical note-taking that we use to quickly communicate to other musicians the basics of a song. So let's actually take a look at a very simple lead sheet, just to give you an idea of what is there and how a lead sheet works. So here I've written out a lead sheet for Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, or at least for the first 8 measures of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And we're going to see a lot of familiar things here on the lead sheet. First of all, starting on the very left, we have a treble clef right here. Let's just note the staff is going to be in treble clef. We have, next to the treble clef, we have a time signature. If we had a key signature, if this is a piece of the key signature, we'd find the key signature right there. Then, on the staff, we have the first 8 measures of the melody of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Below the melody of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, we have the lyrics, and this is something that you often find on the lead sheet. You find the lyrics written out if it's a song that has words, and not only does it help you know what the lyrics are, and if there's a singer, help them remember the lyrics, but it tells you where the lyrics fit over the melody. You'll see that, for instance, the word twinkle is divided up into its 2 syllables, and this lets us know that the first syllable goes over C, and the second syllable also goes over C. So it tells us not just what the lyrics are, but how they fit with the melody. Then above the staff, we have a bunch of chord symbols. So we have, starting from the left, we have a C, we have an F, we have another C, we have a G, we have a C, we have a D minor, we have a G, and then we have another C. So those are the basic elements of a lead sheet. So you can see that a lead sheet basically gives you sort of the bare bones of a song. It gives you the melody, gives you the lyrics if there are some lyrics, and then it gives you the chord symbols. It gives you an idea of the chord progression. But there's a lot of stuff that a lead sheet does not tell you. Some of the things that it doesn't tell you are what instruments should be playing this. Should there be 1 instrument? Should there be 12? Lead sheet doesn't say anything about that. Lead sheet leaves that completely up to you. Another thing it doesn't tell you is how exactly should these chords be played? What rhythm should they be played in? How should they be voiced? Again, that's all stuff that's going to be left up to you as a performer. And in the next videos, we'll talk a little bit about exactly how we realize or create a musical accompaniment from a lead sheet. But the lead sheet is going to be a really useful tool for you. As a performing musician, you're going to run into it. And if you're a songwriter, a lead sheet is a really great way to get the bare bones of a song, melody, lyrics, and chord progression down quickly and easily. So in the next video, we'll take a look at how you actually start to put some meat on the bones of this lead sheet.